Hello, my name is Joe, and obviously I've got no hair. Jokes aside, obviously it's my first time using the Lordhair system, which I'm quite impressed. Right today, pretty straightforward. Obviously, do a bit of a haircut. Hair starts to grow through. Obviously, anyone using a hair system understands obviously that you are obviously shaving it to obviously allow the stick happen, obviously for the hair system to stick. I'm quite impressed already with Lordhair. The box is quite nice. Quite nice box. Comes with the logo inside. A nice tissue paper, all branded as well. And even the hair system itself. Quite amazing, honestly. I think it's the best I've seen. Obviously, we're going to show the before and after. This is obviously me having a hair system. Obviously, it's a bit of a tan line. Obviously, thanks to the sun we've had in the UK. This is the hair system. This is the Quantum in a dark brown. I'm quite impressed. It's all netted to keep it all together. I'm quite impressed. So what will be happening, obviously, will be it's measured and custom to my head, which is something a service they do, which is really good. It took within 9 days to arrive, which is really quick. I had multiple customer reps that keep in touch with me to make sure I'm happy with my order and keeping up to date all the way along. The order was with FedEx, which was first class, brilliant, up to date all the way along, all the way to my doorstep. Yeah, I had to sign for it, done. But yeah, so this will be obviously transformation of me getting a haircut, which should be before and after. Obviously get my haircut and always get done at the salon, but obviously where it's just a trim, just getting trimmed on top. And yeah, Lordhair will be my first piece with Lordhair, which I'm very excited about because I've heard really good things. And what I'm seeing at the moment is the best hairpiece I've seen and felt, which is quite exciting. This has got a front hairpiece, sort of a silicone front hairline, which obviously allows it to be pulled back and pulled to the side. I'm going to Greece in, well, about 9 days now. So hopefully I'll be wearing that with me to Greece, which I will try and update along with this video. Hello again, this is me, Joseph French, after my haircut. I've been to the barbers, got a haircut. The system, amazing. The quality of the hair is amazing. As well as that, applying strips, the glue, brilliant. And the extra piece they put at the back, just make sure that the hair rests nicely on the back. Looks amazing. Absolutely amazing by Lordhair. Absolutely amazing and outstanding. Definitely be ordering more. Absolutely outstanding.